Hello, I'm Michael Finn, Holistic Exercise and Lifestyle Coach, and today I'm going to show you my Superman or Super Person exercise, or whatever you want to call it, so that we can develop all of the back extensors and hip extensors of the body in really good form. So this is part of my speed and strength program, so if you want to learn more about that, go to finfit.com, click on the little shop button, go to the online programs, and check out there. So I have lots of different exercises all put into one big program to help people become stronger and faster and more athletic. So here we go. So you're going to lay down face down on your stomach, arms stretched out all the way over your head, legs stretched out nice and long that way. Tend to like to have it to where your hands are sitting so that your thumbs are pointing up towards the ceiling. So not with the palms of your hands flat on the floor, but with your palms turned in facing each other so that the thumbs are pointing up. Kind of helps the shoulders work a little bit better. And then the legs just out straight. So what we're going to do is when we inhale, I'm going to want you to lift your arms up off the floor, lift your chest a little bit up off the floor, lift your legs up off of the floor by tightening up your glutes so that the only thing touching the floor will be the front of your hips a little bit and your stomach a little bit, and maybe the bottom of your rib cage, and that's it, okay? We're just going to inhale, hold up there at the top for like a second or two, and then exhale and lower back down slowly, okay? So here we go, big inhale, lift the arms, the chest, the legs, fire those glutes, have the belly button in, and then exhale and lower back down. Inhale, fire those glutes, lift the legs up and the hips up and the arms up and the chest up, and then exhale and lower back down. Big inhale, all the way up. Big exhale, all the way back down. Now, if that's too tough, you can do one side at a time, meaning the fact that I'm going to do my right arm and my left leg so that we work the X across the back side of the body. So we could also go big inhale, lifting the right arm and the left leg. Big exhale, lowering them back down. Big inhale, lifting the left arm and the right leg, and big exhale coming back down. Now the key is don't push with the opposite arm or leg that's on the floor. You got to use the muscles in your back to turn all of that on. So big inhale, one arm opposite leg, big exhale coming down, big inhale, other arm opposite leg, big exhale coming back down, going nice and easy one side to the other side. Okay? So that's if the regular Superman is too hard, okay? So the regular Superman is everything. Arms, chest, legs, all up off the floor. And then exhaling and coming back down, okay? That is our Superman exercise, great for developing the back. Remember to always keep that belly button drawn in during that exercise to improve the function of your core. All right, look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Reach out if you got any questions, hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, and have a happy and healthy day. Bye-bye.